Welcome, warrior. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here at this channel. And my name is Jacqueline, and I'm the chief warrior here at Girl Armor. I just wanted to do an express type of video just to help someone out there, like me, of course. If you are a stay-at-home mom, this definitely will be beneficial because we're speaking the same language, but this can definitely apply to a working mom, a part-time working mom. It doesn't really matter. We are homemakers at heart, and we are more than conquerors because we have Christ in our hearts, in our homes, in our families, and all that. So we're never perfect. We're always evolving within time, right? So I just wanted to do an express video about some homemaking skills, and that would be beneficial. Okay, this is just a calendar that I have Sunday to Saturday, and hope that it will help somebody out there. It's just a Dollar Tree type of cardboard, and I just went ahead and divided it into some sections. Okay, so first and foremost, this is to help us busy mamas trying to make it all, which we don't. We're human, and we're not perfect, so this at least will help us try to keep somewhat intact, right? So right here we have Sunday, and most of Sundays is to run errands, family field trips, or refresh the house. So in regards to the cleaning, I've done a weekly cleaning, which is every day we clean something within the house. But in prayer, I have asked God to please help me in this situation. So I have found that going back to one day cleaning the house the best that I can, and refreshing the house, of course, throughout the week helps out. But having one specific day to clean basically the house the best of my ability, it's what's been working. And then I refresh it on Sunday, because then I'm going to clean the house on Fridays. Okay, so it's like Sabbath Prep. That's what basically Friday is called for. So here I have some grocery shop to do. We're gonna do that on Thursday, and we're gonna finalize the menu on Wednesday. So basically it's a whole week prep for the Sabbath. Okay, if you are following my channel, I'm totally new to the Sabbath, and I'm learning, and I'm finding that it's really hard to find channels out there excuse me, that are helping, and they're not much. So I'm just, as I'm growing, I'm helping. Okay, so I'm finalizing the menu here on Wednesday. I'm going grocery shopping on Thursdays. I'm also going to either meal prep, which I have here, meal prep on Thursdays or Friday, but mostly Fridays. So here I'm cleaning my fridge, and we're gonna go shopping on Thursday after school. After we homeschool, we go grocery shopping. So then we will have our snacks and our foods ready for the Sabbath, right? So we don't wait till Friday to do everything, because then it's just going to be a whole chaotic type of environment, and we're going to be stressed out. So Sabbath starts, I almost put here 7 p.m., but I've learned that the Sabbath is when the sun sets. So when the sun goes down. So I stop myself. I just have to white it out. Okay, so we'll go to that in a minute. I just wanted to go to the actual food prep. So here, if we are in the same food, we're gonna prep. So basically I'm going to do the menu. We're gonna prep for the week to come, and also for Friday and for Saturday. So basically I'm going to prep for breakfast for Saturday, and also I always cook one meal, which we eat the biggest meal on Sunday. We eat the biggest meal on lunchtime. Okay. Today we're gonna meal prep, which is either we're gonna season everything, we're gonna clean have everything clean, and just be ready for the week to come, you know. But additional to that, I'm learning that I rather just cook like a big meal on Friday and just have it left over for Saturday. I was trying to do 2 meals and that was just too much. So basically, I'm learning to, I'm Spanish. So let's say, for example, arroz con gandule, which that's pigeon pea rice. I will do a big pigeon pea rice here, and then we will eat the leftovers here on Saturday. Okay? So that's basically how the food prep would work throughout the week. And then you got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all of that, which I had, already done the grocery shopping for. Okay? So this grocery shopping is for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll go back Thursday. All right? So here we go. So here the week for us, it's Monday through Thursday. It's basically the same, and it changes on Friday, Saturday. So here we're gonna go to school. We're gonna do homeschool, and we also do a little bit of homeschool here on Friday, not too much, but we still do some homeschool. Here Monday through Thursday, I am waking up early, prayer. I am armoring up. I am putting on my armor. I am praying. I am. You're gonna hear my dog in the background, and I am praying. I am studying the word, and I'm being intentional because I am waking up and putting the alarm on. So then these are in special. This is on a perfect day, guys. We're moms. Things happen. We're tired too. We extend our sleep. It happens. It happens to me all the time, and so then here we're going to make breakfast at 6 a.m. and also I'm going to start cooking for dinner. My dinner, again, I cook one time a day, and we eat the biggest meal at lunchtime, which is lunch. Not really dinner, but I'm just going to put their dinner. Okay. So here at 7 a.m. I'm making, we're eating breakfast, and I'm having a little break, okay? 8 a.m. is exercise. I'm either going to walk, bike, or treadmill. And then at 9 a.m., we're going to start chores with my kiddos. And we're going to have some outside time because fresh air and sun, it's always good, exercising. And then we're going to start school, 10 a.m. And also in there, we're going to have some lunch. And we usually have like 10 to maybe 1 or 2 o'clock for school. It just depends. And then I want to try to, or I do try after school, I always try to clean and then work on some projects that I have. And then at this time, we're going to go to the park. We're going to go and have a good time. Then we're going to do a bath time and clean up. So I'm going to clean up the kitchen. And then from 6 to 8 o'clock is family time. So just depending what we do around that time. I have some family here, some family schedules. I will go in a minute. And 8 o'clock is bedtime. And of course, night hygienes. And at night, I work on some projects that the Lord has for me to do. So here, family time is as scheduled. These are usually at night. So here, we're going to have Wednesday nights. We're going to do Bible night. Thursday, family night, which is game night. The Fridays is family Papa Dio movie night, which is, this is something to help me transition our children and our family into the Sabbath. We just watch videos regarding God, Jesus, anything that would steer us into the biblical mindset. Here on Saturday, then we have regular movie night because Sabbath is over at sundown. And then Sunday, we don't really have anything. Okay, so that's the scheduled area. We're going to go to the other area that helps me out a lot too. I forgot to mention that on Saturday, it's Sabbath and it's meant all for God, family, church, fellowshipping with others, and so on and so forth. So here we're moving on to my second section that helps me out a ton. I have two sections that are divided, and this is in front of the fridge. Most of the time it's prettier type of notepad, but for the example of this video, and I currently don't have any of those at this moment, any paper will do. One is to just list a simple menu list. This is just in front of the fridge, so I can just visualize real quick and just pick what I had selected before. Remember, with our weekly prep. So what are we having? I can just select right there and then. And later I'm going to show you like a little bit more an amplified type of menu system that I kind of use sometimes, but this was my go-to right here. The next section there, it's a grocery list. So basically it's right in the fridge and you're looking for something and you can find it, then I pick up a pencil and I put what I need, because then later on it'll be much easier when I have to do the weekly menu. I already know some of the things that I need, not all of them, but some, because it already was written. Now, the next thing that helps me as a mama is this command center. I gathered a couple things from Walmart, thrift store, dollar store, and it's not pretty or all that, but hey, listen, it does the work. That's what matters. What matters is that it helps me get the job done. So here it's some cord boards. I wish that these cord boards were a little bit more thicker because of the pins there. Yeah, it's just not cool for the wall. So here is my calendar. I cannot live without a full calendar like this that shows me my whole month at a glance. I cannot live without it. It shows me everything that I need to do at that month. Here, I'm going to show you this in 1 second. And then I have the menu board. I'm going to show you that in 1 second, and more cord boards. Okay, back to this thing. So this is just a dry eraser right here that I got at Walmart. And I had divided into 3 sections, okay? I have divided it into today, this week, and this month, all right? So I have divided it with some tape, washi tape, to be exact. And then I put a tape at each section that says today, this week, and this month. So basically, it's just me as a mom just trying to figure out what I'm going to do today. So what is my top number 1, top number 2, not top number 3, whatever it is. And then this week, what are my top 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. And then top of the month. You know, these are just examples. I just wrote here some examples to give you that, and hope that this would help you as well. And then this is the other amplifying menu. This I would just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Sometimes I have up to 7 or 10. I just divide it sometimes, even more. And this is basically me I meal prepped already, and I have a couple of some menus and that's it. And then I select. I'm not the kind of person that I'm going to say, this is what we're going to cook on Monday. This is what we're going to cook on Tuesday. I just have various type of meals, and I just pick and choose what I'm in the mood to cook that day. And more cord boards at the bottom to just put some paper, any kind of information. So yes, I hope that this was helpful in some way or another. And I would love for you to consider subscribing to the channel. And do not forget to also subscribe to our newsletter, because good news, our subscription box is coming out and I would not want you to miss.